Welcome. Today I will show you how to unlock FRP Google Lock in Infinix Smart 7. First we have to power off device. Now go to the unlock tool and there we have Infinix. Tap and choose correct model from the list. Now go to BROM and choose Erase FRP. Now connect phone holding the power down button. Volume down and plug the USB cable. Now wait until process will be done. Erase FRP OK. So now let's test the phone. As you can see, there is no lock anymore, so now we can use phone properly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, please write below in comments. Till the next time.